Hey, let's start the saving and upgrading section with extended support EKS clusters. So this one should be quite easy to understand and to fix. So first, what is EKS extended support? So Kubernetes team rapidly evolves with new features and they release new Kubernetes minor versions such as 1.32 every 4 months on average. A minor version is under standard support in Amazon EKS for the first 14 months after it's released. Then, once a version is past the end of standard support date, it enters extended support for the next 12 months. So what's the difference between standard support and extended support? Well, the price, of course. So you can see here that the AWS cost of supporting all clusters is 6 times higher compared to the standard price. And also, it's running by default. So you have a list here. You have the release dates of your Kubernetes version. And if you pick one, you can see the upstream release, say Amazon AKS release date, and then the end of standard support. So after reaching this date, you are already paying for the extended support. And then you have the end of extended support, and meaning you cannot use that cluster anymore. To detect them, you can simply use AWS billing. So if you go to billing service, build section, select Elastic Container Service for Kubernetes, and then region, and look for extended support line. So if you see this line here, with a number of hours and a price, you know you are paying for the extended support. To find them all, you can use Athena and query the curve. So you cannot use either Trusted Advisor or Cost Optimization Hub for this one. So you need to create a query. And to help you, you can just simply filter your query by line item description with the support. To fix it, just upgrade the EKS cluster. So you go to the EKS service cluster section and you look at Kubernetes version you have currently and you click upgrade now. It will pop up a notification to upgrade the version and you can only update the version one by one.